Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Webull for options trading. Webull is a popular online brokerage platform that offers a range of features and tools for trading options. To get started, you will need to download and install the Webull app or access the platform through their website. First, you need to create an account and deposit funds into it. Once your account is set up, navigate to the options trading section of the platform. Here, you can select the stock or ETF you want to trade options on and choose the type of option you want to buy or sell. There are two main types of options: calls and puts. A call option gives the buyer the right to buy a stock at a specified price, while a put option gives the buyer the right to sell a stock at a specified price. You can also choose the strike price, expiration date, and the number of contracts you want to trade. When buying options, you need to pay the premium, which is the cost of the option contract. When selling options, you receive the premium, but you are also taking on the obligation to buy or sell the underlying stock at the specified price if the option is exercised. To place an order, select the type of order you want to use, such as a market order or a limit order. A market order will execute the trade at the current market price, while a limit order will execute the trade at a specified price or better. It is also important to understand the concept of volatility and how it affects options trading. Implied volatility is a measure of the market's expected volatility of the underlying stock, and it can impact the price of options. Additionally, you need to understand the concept of time decay, which is the loss of value of an option over time. As the expiration date approaches, the value of the option will decrease, which can affect your trading strategy. To manage risk, you can use various strategies such as hedging, spreading, and iron condors. Hedging involves reducing risk by taking a position in a security that offsets the risk of another position. Spreading involves buying and selling options with different strike prices or expiration dates. Iron condors involve buying and selling options with different strike prices to profit from the underlying stock staying within a certain range. Finally, it is essential to have a solid understanding of options trading and to use proper risk management techniques to avoid significant losses. Webull offers a range of educational resources and tools to help you get started with options trading, including video tutorials, webinars, and online courses. By following these steps and using the features and tools offered by Webull, you can start trading options with confidence and achieve your financial goals.